Hi, my name is Camilo Salazar. With this first video, we're going to focus on the download of all the software and plugins that we need in order to begin with the development of the Android apps. So, first, we're going to download what we call the Java platform. I hope you can download the latest version. In this case, the version is 6, update 23. So, you only have to do a click on this button and save it. You are not going to download the Java. It's a plugin that when you execute it, it's going to download and install in the same time the Java in your computer. So that's going to help us in the installation process. The second program is the Eclipse. This is the software that we're going to use in order to develop the app. In this case, we're going to download the version 3.6.1 that they call it Helios. And there's something that you should know. Google says that if we're going to use a version higher than the 3.5, they recommend us to download the classic version of Eclipse. As you can see in the list, is the third one over here. The only thing that you you have to pay attention on the version of your operational system. In my case, I have a Windows of 32 bits. There's also the version of 64 bits, or in the case that you're using another operational system, you just look on this list and do click in order to change the version. In my case, I have a Windows of 32 bits, so I just do click over this link. Here we're going to have the servers where we can download it. In my case, I don't know if this is the best one, but if you want to change it, you can. You just need to go down on the page and you will see a list of all the servers. For me, this one is okay, so I just do a click and it's going to download automatically. The third software that we're going to download is the JDK, the Java Development Kit. In this case, we're going to download for the same version of the Java that we're going to download and install. In this case, the version 6, update 23. So, we only have to do click on this button, download JDK. So, we do click. As Eclipse, they are going to ask for the operational system. In this case, I have a Windows 32-bit, so I'm going to select the option that just says Windows. You have to click on the I agree to the license agreement. Then continue. And we're going to have finally the link to download the JDK. So you only have to do click and it's going to download automatically too. Okay, about Android, we're going to download two plugins. In this case, the first one is the Android SDK. We have in different operational systems, and in the case of Windows, we have two versions. I recommend, Google also recommend the .x. You only have to do click and it starts downloading automatically as the rest. The last plugin that we're going to download is the ADT, the Android Development Tool. It's a plugin for Eclipse, so the latest version is the 9.0.9 that was released in January of 2011. You can see the other versions if you go down over here, but we are not going to look for them. You can install and download the ADT by two ways. The first one is by using Eclipse. In this case, you're going to see the whole configuration here on this table. We're using, remember, the 3.6 Helios version, and also you can download it manually. So, well, if you go down, you're going to see the file of the latest version, the 9.0.0. So, well, you only have to do click. We're going to explain on the next video how to download and install the ADT by Eclipse, so don't worry. So, well, that's all the things that you have to download. Two advices before we continue with the next video, and is that if you want to follow Android instructions, you can follow them on the next URL, developer.android.com, or also, well, following our videos that are more have more details about the installation, and I think more explanation. So it's your decision. And the second advice is to download everything on a folder on your desktop operational system. So, well, it's your decision. I think this is going to make the installation process faster for and more easier for you. So, well, I think that's all. We will see you in the next video in order to install all the things that you are downloading right now. Okay, so bye bye.